morning everybody to a beautiful morning on Camino Badinienche. Look how I'm pronouncing it now, look at me go. Walking a bit slow today. I got a cramp in the middle of the night last night, really bad cramp in my calf, and it stayed with me, so my left leg feels like I'm just dragging it along this morning. I think the shoes, actually, the Ultralone Peak 6, have done almost 500 miles now. The website says 300 to 500. I was hoping to see how much I could get out of them, but I think they're almost at the end now. So on with the day. I'm going to limp along. It should be about 34 kilometers today, but there is Cistierna on the way, so hopefully that's only about 15k. If I can do a short day and rest my leg for a day, I will.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's a beautiful path, this, just by the river. Now the Buen Camino app has you walking along the main road on the other side of the river. So I love the Buen Camino app. It's probably one of my favourite of the apps. But sometimes keep your eyes open and see if there's a trail marked, because I would have missed this sticking to the road.
Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Morning everybody to what feels like a really chilly morning this morning. My last day on Camino Badinienche as I get to Masilla de las Mulas later today, which of course is on the French route. Be interesting to see just how busy the French route is, or whether it's just as normal. I'm going to have a day off in Leon, I think, then go and do the Salvador, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the Meseta in reverse. That's my new plan for Camino. Let's walk a bit quicker, try and warm up a bit. So far today, that was another sign for a monastery. So far today, I've either been past signs for 4 monasteries. I've walked past 4 or 5 churches and absolutely no places to buy a bit of tortilla and a cup of coffee. So religion is strong in this area. Food and drink, not so much. I'm back on the French for a few days. I recognise this bit.